silk and shimmer on parade. Dreams that glitter never fade. Glitter it shines, the stories told. Powers walking, fierce and bold. Strut to the rhythm.
Today will again be a long day. आज day 3 है, tomorrow is the grand finale, right? So again a long day for you all today. So if you're carrying an expensive bag or whatever, you don't want to place your bag down. If it's a big bag, nothing goes on the table, right? It won't be on your lap. You can request the wait staff. You can tell them, I have a bag, I don't want to place it down. They will either give you an extra chair or they'll give you a stool. So when you sit, there has to be a 2 feet distance. बहुत ज़्यादा पास नहीं बैठना है, बहुत ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं बैठना है. So a 2 feet distance, okay? And the first thing that you do when you sit at the table, हमेशा वहाँ पे cloth napkins होंगे वहाँ पे, ठीक है? The first thing that you do is to place the napkin on your lap. When we get this sugar sachet, what you need to do is, if there is a cylindrical tube, ठीक है, अगर cylindrical tube है, उसको बीच में से ऐसे just तोड़ दो, pour it into your cup. आप बीच में से तोड़ दोगे वो टूट जाएगा. ये करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है या फाड़ने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. उसको बीच में से तोड़ो वो टूट जाएगा. If you have a pouch like this, just press it. Very elegantly just press it. वो sugar सारा नीचे settle हो जाएगा. And then you tear and you pour it into your cup. ठीक है? You pour the sugar into your cup. Also when we stir, this is how we stir, right? बट हमको सर्कुलर मोशन में स्टर नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू स्टर इट 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So once you pour the sugar, you do this. So every country, if you ask me, has some rules of their own. ठीक है, when it comes to etiquette. So I would suggest कि if you're traveling to some other country, आप थोड़ा सा research कर सकते हो उनके बारे में कि something what they follow there. In the Gulf countries, in UAE, so वो जब चाय पीते they cover this, वो ऐसे पीते हैं, they cover this part. उनके हिसाब से it's an insult to the other person अगर आप कप का बैक साइड किसी को दिखाते हो तो. So butter is ideally served like this. या तो अमूल बटर ऐसा मिलता है या तो वो बोल में एक क्यूब बटर दे देते हैं, राइट? तो irrespective of you getting a butter like this, या अगर आपको बोल में बटर मिलता है, यू हैव टू टेक अ पोर्शन ऑफ द बटर एंड आपको अपने प्लेट पे रखना है. यू विल टेक द बटर नाइफ, यू विल टेक अ पोर्शन ऑफ द बटर, ओके, एंड आप अपने प्लेट के साइड में ले लोगे, ठीक है? नाउ इफ यू आर टेकिंग द ब्रेड, यू हैव टू ब्रेक अ पोर्शन ऑफ द ब्रेड, ठीक है? आप उसमें थोड़ा सा बटर लगाएंगे एंड देन खाएंगे. So every time you have to have bread, you're gonna break a portion of the bread. You will apply butter and then have it. हम पूरे bread में butter नहीं लगाएंगे and we will not keep having it. Ma'am, please come on stage. I would also request Shakudi to please felicitate her.
Probably by now all of you know that we are going to talk about some cancer. Do you know what is cervical cancer? Cervix is a part of your internal genitalia. Internal genitalia consists of the uterus, the ovaries and the tubes. This internal genital, the uterus, the lowermost part of uterus is called cervix. It is not an extended or an external part. Cervix is the lowermost part of the uterus. Now, why are we interested in cervical cancer? All of you are very worried about breast conditions. So any woman will right away go to the doctor seeking help if she has breast pain, if she has lump in the breast, or any other breast related issues. But the burden of breast cancer in India is as much as the burden of cervical cancer in India. But women are not aware of that. So in India, approximately 1,25,000 women get affected by cervical cancer every year. Okay, and breast cancer, breast being a very superficial organ, it shows up early. So whenever breast cancer is detected, it is usually in the earlier stages. So this is 100% curable these days.
Now we have a dietitian amongst us, Dr. Samrita Sarkar, and she is here to give you some insights on how to have an efficient diet.
Today we are going to discuss about everyday nutrition, right? Some of you or most of you had that thought that you associated yourself with weight gain, overweight, right? So today's session, I'm here to exactly dissociate you with that thought. Whenever we talk about nutrition, the first thing that flashes our mind is overweight. I'm gaining weight. I am gaining weight. I need to curtail my weight, which is not true. Our thought about nutrition should be associated with what most of you said, balance. And inculcating that balance in our day-to-day life when we associate ourselves with nutrition. Our balanced diet, yes, it's the fact, the phrase, okay? So we have come across a lot of cliches, like what we eat is what we are. It makes our personality, our appearance, right? You're right. What we eat is what we are actually, but may not be today, but in the future. So I would say that everyday nutrition is not about just cutting out the calories, just fixing your, having a very correct dietitian prescribed meal, counting calories and having the correct amount of proteins and not overeat. It's not about that. It's about understanding. It's about having that knowledge at the back of your mind, even when if you're woken up amidst your sleep, that, okay, so what are the basic things that you should eat? You should know that. Not only the knowledge, the versed, the professionals in this field should know. Our exercise, we as a dietitian nowadays, our main job is to spread awareness, like Dr. Ghosh or Varnali Ghosh just now mentioned, that we are not aware of when we should start working on our body. So even nutrition and diet is about the knowledge that you own your body, right? Nobody else does it. And you live your life. So you have the right to know what is good for you, what would satiate you as a part of the food plate, and you understand your hunger cues, right? Whenever you're hungry, you have to eat. No dietitian can tell you from 2 days back, you met a dietitian and she told you that at 8 you should take your first sip of tea. No, she can't. She can frame you, she can guide you, she can frame you a diet plan about a balanced meal. But you understand your daily routine, you understand your hunger cues, you understand your hunger pangs, and you should respond to that. And there's when you would nourish not only your body but your mind. And nutrition is a very personal thing. It affects each and every one of us who's in the room, who's outside. It is a very personal thing. You should understand, you should be aware of what you need, what your body needs. And that's exactly the essence of such awareness programs and sessions, right?
I will tell you a few things. I'm an organizer. I'm doing pageants for last 10 years. मैंने जो अपने बाल सफ़ेद किए, अभी तो टाई लगाया है, but मैंने जो अपने बाल सफ़ेद किए हैं ना, वो pageantry में किए हैं.
Hills ascend, the crown is near. East India's pride is reigning here.
The richest land in the world is the cemetery. The cemetery, the Kabristan. Because you have these millions and millions of people buried underneath whose ideals have never seen the light of day. The speaker was a guy called Todd Henry. He wrote a book subsequently called Die Empty. Now this die empty is not dying without your clothes. It's not dying without money. It is dying when all your emotions, all your creativity, all your positivity has been realized. When that happens, you go to a better place. And that concept is dying. Now the question for all of you is this. You have come here for a pageant. But there are many people here whose sole dream it was to be on stage with a crowd. I know, I'll tell you a little story. When I was young, I wanted to be James Bond. When I asked my friends, everybody wanted to be James Bond. And then I realized it's actually a commonality amongst men. So when I got older and started asking my female friends, each one of them said, I want to wear a crown.
Good evening, everybody. I am Jimmy Bunny from Ranakhat, raising a small son and answering him everywhere. These lines by Robert Frost always keep me upbeat. Good evening, Bona Banerjee, that's me, a proud representative of my family tree. As a former Mrs. India winner, I start the ramp. My acting skills draw many to my camp.
I am here tonight to expound on my 2 cents. Having pursued MBBS from Ukraine, this is Dr. Piyali Shaha, learned, not paid.
Good evening. My name is Shilpi Kumari, a homemaker who wishes to set herself free. I run my own business of imitation jewelry.
Good evening, everyone. Rukmini is my name, here to pursue her own slice of fame. An established educationist and an entrepreneur. I'm also known as a professional tarot card reader.
চারিত্রিক বৈশিষ্ট্যের কথা বলতে গেলে আমি আমার স্বাধীন চেতা মনোভাবের কথাই বলবো, যে মনোভাব আমি আমার চলার পথে ইতিবাচকভাবেই ব্যবহার করি। হ্যাঁ, আমি একটু আবেগপ্রবণ। ছোট ছোট খারাপ লাগা চোখ ঝাপসা করে দিলেও চোখের পলকে ফিরে আসি স্বমহিমায়। ধন্যবাদ। I am glowing on this stage, having my life at twirl. Good evening all. This is Shaheen Chaudhary from Murshidabad. Moving to the city of joy made me glad.
I will sing my story, sweeter than the love. Good evening. Charlie Naik is my name, the corporate honcho on her way to fame. 16 years of experience in export and IT sector. Automobile engine BMW is my latest vector.
This is Sangeeta Shaha Devna from the beautiful hilly state Tripura and the princely city Agartala. These days, I am working in a Maharaja Bir Bikram college as a guest lecturer. Winning the beauty pageants earlier has added my stature. জীবন বারবার আমাকে শিখিয়েছে কিভাবে ছাই থেকে উঠে টানা উঠতে হয়। আমি দীপা রায়। আমার এই পথ চলা, আমার হিলিং জার্নি, আমার আত্মোপলব্ধি ও আমার মা ও মেন্টরের অনুপ্রেরণায় গড়ে ওঠা এক সাহসী উড়ান। আর হিলস অ্যান্ড ক্রাউন সেই উড়ানের প্রথম বিমান।
Good evening, Dr. Kiran Pandey, that's me. Research medicine that set the world free. My pain research in very well leads to solution. My formulated medicine product are they at revolution.
নমস্কার, আমি অর্জিতা সাহা চক্রবর্তী। বাই প্রফেশন আমি একজন মেকআপ আর্টিস্ট as well as I'm a brave mother of 2 kids. 2022, 23 and 24 আমি বেস্ট মেকআপ আর্টিস্ট অ্যাওয়ার্ড এবং দশভূজা সম্মানে ভূষিত হয়েছি।
The secret to getting ahead is getting started. I'm on a journey where I hope I'm never parted. From the state where the tea is sweet and the accents are sweeter, Good evening. This is Sayuri Ria.
This way in life, you will always flow upstream. Good evening, all. My name is Priyanka Mukherjee, a 41-year-old single mother to a charming son.
Good evening. This is Ahona Mukherjee, a master's in hospital management, has very knowledge. I love to express myself through dance. Hi everyone, Swagata Mukherjee is my name. On stage tonight to grab a slice of it. Hailing from Darjeeling, now in the city of joy, this proud Gorkha girl is called Bhishma Tadal Roy. Being the finalist tonight is the fulfillment of my dreams. Hello all, I'm Rita Dale, an international dominee by profession.
Good evening, everyone. This is Moshumi Sharma. Thrilled tonight to be in front of you all.
হ্যালো, আই এম দেবলীনা পল শারদা ফ্রম ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল। যেহেতু বাংলা থেকে, তাই জন্য বাংলাতেই আমার নিজের পরিচয় দেওয়াটা পছন্দ। আমি শুধু মেয়ে, মা বা স্ত্রী নই, আমি একজন যোদ্ধা।
Differences don't always cut like a knife. Good evening, I'm Dr. Somdata Ganguly, born and raised on the other side of Hooghly. I'm an industrial psychologist and an event planner.
Good evening, this is Antara Sonia, a homemaker, and which is definitely made of love and trust.
Hello, I'm Ranjini, a clinician by profession and an observant of life by passion, more often than not through the lens.
While most of the people knows the Triveni from where the rivers meet, I come from the one where they begin. Because every sacred journey requires a brave departure. That to me is the essence of my architecture. Good evening all. Anisa Anand, that's homemaker who is the best seeker. A graduate, I cook various type of food. My cooking skill put people in a good mood.
सुजाता सागर मेरा नाम, 25 साल की, करूँ अपना हर काम। उड़ीसा की हूँ, जहाँ का भूमि वहाँ।
True beauty is not about perfection, it is about being perfectly and unapologetically yourself. I have joined this pageant to place my fears on the shelf. Good evening, my name is Aishani Mazumdar. I'm just 14, but I want to get really hard. Hailing from Kolkata, reading in Standard 9, study hard so I don't get left behind.
নমস্কার, আমি অর্পিতা ফ্রম বর্ধমান। আমি একজন সিঙ্গেল মাদার হিসাবে নিজের সন্তান করতে প্রতিশ্রুতিবদ্ধ, ঠিক একইভাবে দায়বদ্ধ নিজের প্রতিটা স্বপ্নের জন্য।
From the orange city to the city of joy, I move from Nagpur to Kolkata with my little boy.
Lights are flashing, feel the beat. Every step's a bold heartbeat. Hills ascend, the crown is near. East India's pride is reigning here. Silk and shimmer on parade. Dreams that glitter never fade. Glitter shines, the story's told. Powers walking, fierce and bold. Strut to the rhythm on the stage tonight. Miss and Mrs. glowing in the light. Heels and crowns lifting dreams so high. Pride of the East, we touch the sky. can shimmer on parade. Dreams that glitter never fade. Glitter shines.